If you've been on the lookout on creating such a natural but very appealing eyeshadow look, I've got this tutorial just for you. I'm going to be recreating Ananya Pandey's beautiful natural eye look. This tutorial is going to be jam-packed with a lot of tips and tricks, so make sure you're paying attention. And if you're interested, let's get into it. I always believe that eyebrows either make or break the look. And to fill in my brows, I'm going in with one shade lighter. That is the shade dark brown. And I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz pencil to do that. The key to get beautiful full looking brows is to create hair-like strokes. We want a lightweight eyebrow gel, and this one by L'Oreal is my answer to it. So just apply this all over your brow hair. I'm going in with the Clinique Even Better Concealer in the shade Oat, and I'm applying that all over my eyelids. With the ABH Nouveau palette and the shade Metro with the Refer 01 brush, which is a flat one, but as you can see it's dome-like, we're going to be applying this on the lids. Do not blend, but make sure you're packing the shadow on the eyelid. And you don't have to worry going back and forth with the eyeshadow. Back in with Metro, let's build out the color again. Now as you can see, I'm starting from the lash line, moving upwards. That will give it the soft look, and you'll also have maximum pigment towards your lashes. Don't go any higher. And now finally, let's go into the same shade again and apply some more color. The amount you add will be dependent on your skin tone. I needed to go in these many times for it to show up. Now with the shade Fleur and the Refer 14 brush, which is a smaller brush, but again it's tapered, we're going to be blending this eyeshadow into our skin tone. You want to make sure it's giving you that blurred out finish, but it's also looking seamless. A well blended eyeshadow look will make your eyes pop, and you'll get a lot of compliments too. Trust me on this. And your eyes should look something like this. Now with the shade Fleur, we're going to be applying this to the bottom lash line. If you're using any pink or rosy tones, make sure it is one shade slightly darker than your skin tone. Avoid shades that are 2 to 3 shades darker because that will not look natural at all. With the shade Paloma, we are going to try and brighten up the brow bone. For hooded eyes, it's essential to bring forward the brow bone so that the emphasis on the hood is lost. It also helps create the illusion of bigger, brighter eyes. And who wouldn't want that? Blend that out with your finger. Now with the Huda Beauty Creamy Kohl pencil in the shade Very Vanta, we're going to be tightlining the upper lash line. Just hang around, I'm going to show you the difference tightlining makes. And this is before, and here is the after. Look at that difference. So now let's go and do it to the other eye too. I can see that most of you are not subscribed to my channel, but you're enjoying my content. So please make sure you're hitting the subscribe button. Taking our black eyeliner again, let's apply that on the waterline. And your eye should look something like this at this stage. Now taking a fine eyeliner brush and dabbing it into your eyeliner, we are going to go along the bottom lash line, moving upwards to the ear. And now we're going to carve out that beautiful soft wing. You can use your nail or your fingers to just make it a bit more sharp. Be soft though. If you're enjoying this video so far, please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel too. Now this step is either going to make or break your eye look. You need to curl your lashes to the maximum length that you can. And I'm curling the lashes from the front, the side, and towards the inner corner too. And look at that lift it has given me. That's before and this is after. So if you're impressed with this result, let's do it on the other eye. Going outwards. And now going upwards. Make sure you're doing this a couple of times. And there you go. And now with my Patrick Ta Major Volume Mascara, I'm going to make sure to remove all the excess from the mascara wand. We do not want clumpiness. And now take your sweet time, I really do mean it, to apply your mascara. Because this will add the definition to the eyelashes. Just look at that. How good is it? Let's do it to the other eye now. Gently wiggle the wand and lift upwards. Don't forget your bottom lashes. And there you go guys, this is Ananya Pandey's natural, beautiful, wearable, everyday look. And if you really like this video, please make sure to hit the like button, it helps me out. Subscribe to my channel, leave a comment, and I'll see you again in my next video. I hope you have a good one guys. See you. Bye-bye.